Hello. Welcome to my English podcast. This is a very easy English podcast for beginners. Today we talk about a film. The film is called Grown Ups. It is a comedy from the United States. The film is from 2010. Grown Ups is a family comedy. The story is about 5 good friends. They were a basketball team in school. Now they are adults. They meet again after many years. In 1978, 5 boys win a basketball game. They are 12 years old. Their coach is very happy. 30 years later, the coach dies. The 5 friends come to his funeral. They are men now. Their names are Lenny, Eric, Kurt, Marcus, and Rob. They go to a lake house. They spent many summers there in childhood. They go with their wives and children. At first, they talk about old times. They remember school and the basketball game. Then they play many funny games. They jump into the water. They ride a zip line. They laugh a lot. Each man has small problems in life. One man is very rich. One man is not happy at work. One man is alone. But together they feel better. In the end, they understand one thing. Friendship and family are very important. They are happy to be together again. I like this film because it is warm and funny. The jokes are simple and kind. The story is about friends and family. It is a good film for a nice evening. Today we learned some words. Friend, team, coach, funeral, lake, game, family. Thank you for listening to my English podcast. Bye. See you next time.